Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: Automating DevTools Console Tab. Click with Selenium and Python. Introduction. The DevTools Console Tab is a powerful tool for debugging and executing JavaScript code in the browser. Selenium, combined with Python, provides a convenient way to automate interactions with the browser's DevTools Console tab. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of clicking on the DevTools Console tab using Selenium and Python, accompanied by a code example. Prerequisites. Step 1. Set up your Selenium WebDriver. Ensure you have the appropriate WebDriver installed for your browser. For example, for Chrome, download the Chrome driver from https://sites.google.com/chromium.org/driver and place it in your system's path. Step 2. Install Selenium. If you haven't installed Selenium WebDriver for Python, you can do so by running the following command. Step 3. Write the Python code. Create a Python script with the following code. This example uses Chrome as the browser, but you can adapt it for other browsers. Explanation. Step 4. Run the script. Save the script with a .py extension and execute it. Ensure that the Chrome driver path is correct, and the browser opens, navigates to the specified website, opens DevTools, and clicks on the Console tab. Conclusion. Automating the interaction with the DevTools Console tab using Selenium and Python allows for efficient testing and debugging workflows. You can extend this example to include more complex scenarios or integrate it into your testing framework. ChatGPT.